Hi, this is Shell of Shell's Creations. Today I want to show you how you can create banners to match any layout you're working on using the Commercial Use Banners version 3. I'm also going to be using the papers from the Summer Loving kit. I'm going to show you how to do this today using the 5 round banners. The templates come layered in PSD and PNG format, and you can see that they are not numbered. They are numbered according to how they appear left to right, but not in the same order as up and down because some are on top of others in kind of an assorted pattern to make them look aesthetically pleasing. Let's start with what we want on the first one. So find the first one up and down in your stack here, and let's put the honeybee pattern on the first one. And so I want to double click on that and then just drag it down and drop. And there's our honeybee pattern. Now it's way too big for the size of our banners here, so I'm going to hold down Control or Command and 0. That will zoom you out to the point where you can see everything that is on your layout that you're working on. Click in the corner here so that I can resize it, and let's drag it down until you can see the honeybee pattern, maybe a little bit more. Now we want to clip the two together, so I'm going to over in the Layers palette, I'm going to make sure that my mouse is on the line in between my yellow paper and my round one. Hold down the Alt key. When you do, you'll get that cute little double circle image, and you can go ahead and click, and that will clip it to it. Okay, on the second one, let's put the floral on that one. Again, let's drag it down. This time so that we can see what we're doing, let's clip it to it first. Hold down the Alt, click up here in the corner, and let's resize that one down, holding down the Shift to maintain our proportions. Okay, the other adjustment I want to make on this one is to rotate it just slightly because the half circle itself is slightly rotated and I want the lines to line up. I'm just kind of eyeballing it with where I want it to be. Okay, and then move it around until you like what you see. If you're looking for more of the small little yellow flowers are kind of featured on this one, or if you're looking for more of the larger color, if you want more red, more blue, you can move it around to be, what you're looking for, what you think might fit best with banner that you're creating. Okay, on the third one, notice that round 3 is not the next one up. I think round 3 is down here on the bottom. I'm going to put the denim one on that one. The denim is substantially darker than the other colors, so it's a lot different. And because of that, I'm going to center it. Otherwise, I think it will make the banner kind of heavy on one side or the other. Again, holding down Command and 0 to zoom out so that I can resize it. Click on the corner. And remember that once you've decided you've resized it enough to the right size, you can either click on the little green arrow down here or just double click anywhere in the shape, and that will confirm that that is the size that you want. Holding down the Alt key over here in the Layers palette, I can clip them together. Okay, on layer 4, or round 4, let's put the dotted paper on that one. Drag it in, click on the corner and resize. I want some tinier dots on this one. And again, I'm going to line this one up. Twist it just a little bit to line things up. Let's zoom in a little bit so that we can see here. I don't want things to be... There we go. That looks like that's more lined up. And move it around until I'm happy with what I can see on the clip. And then double click to confirm. And the last one, we'll put the red gingham on. Command 0 to zoom out. Click in the corner. And remember, holding down the Shift key makes it disproportionate in Photoshop elements. In Photoshop, you have to hold down the Shift key to maintain your proportions. Holding down the Alt key will shrink from the center, and so that's a little bit quicker and will keep it on your canvas. Double click to confirm. Let's see, clip them together. Yeah, that's about right. And then again, I want to rotate this one so that my plaid matches up with the angle of the pennant or half circle. I'm just lining it up roughly on the top. Okay, there we go. Now, the last and final step is to add a shadow. click on one of your half circles, and using your shadow styles, I'm using the shadow styles in the Me and My Shadows. Double click to add your shadow. Then in the layers palette, you can right click on that layer, go down to copy layer style. Now we're going to select the other layers, round 4, hold down your command key, round 2, command key, round 1, command key, round 3. Now all of those are selected. Again, we can, on top of one of those layers, any one, right click and paste layer style. And there you go, they all have a shadow. That's how quick and easy it is to make a banner that will match any of the layouts that you're working on. You can simply use the papers from the kit that you are using. See you next time.